How to fix Reddit login not working. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in order to fix Reddit login issue, you could start by clearing your app cache data, or you could also check your internet connection. First thing first, you want to make sure to check your internet. So go to settings on your device, locate internet, and here you just want to make sure to go ahead and make sure or you just want to make sure that you're connected to a stable internet. While you're in the same section or the settings page, you want to go to app as well, locate Reddit, and make sure that you've cleared your cache as well. As you've done that, you just want to make sure to exit out and go ahead and update your app as well. So head over to your respective app store, type in Reddit on the search bar, and update the app to the latest version. Sometimes this could also help you out. However, despite doing all that stuff, nothing works out. It could be your credentials. Sometimes, if you have entered a wrong information, then it should be able to fix your issue as well. So you just want to make sure to go ahead and check your typos, whether you've entered wrong information or not. And you also want to make sure to disable any sort of extensions of VPN that you're using that can also be able to help you fix. So this way you're supposed to fix Reddit login not working. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.